presenting a growing little ones video.
Itsy Bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Hey guys, one of my subscribers asked me to check out the Hex Bugs. And they look so cool. I've already played with this guy a little bit and he is so much fun. I can't wait to check out some of the other Hex Bugs. They even have ones that swim in water like a seahorse and things like that. So they're really cool. And this is the spider. And let's get him open up so I can share with you what he does. Look how cool that guy looks. Look at all those legs. And then down here we have our remote. And I love how small it is. You could just fit that in your pocket and carry it around, and it's just really mobile. Right here you've got an on and off switch, and that's off. And you have 1 or 2, and that way you can run 2 of these at the same time without the remotes interfering with each other. Here we go. That is just cool. Use this to turn the head. And whichever way the head is facing, that's the way he will go forwards. So if you turn the head and walk at the same time, he'll actually go in circles. We'll turn his head around. There we go. And then go forwards this way. He does have a backwards. You can go backwards too, like that. But it's so much more fun to just turn the head whichever way you want to go. Let's see what this guy can walk over, because I'm really curious how much he can actually walk over. Here is a pen. Let's start with something small. Oh, you're going the wrong way, bug. And he got over the pen. So let's see what else he can climb over. Let's see. We've got a pair of pliers here. You can't go around the pliers. That's cheating. And we just had to replace the batteries because the batteries were dying in them. And here's the batteries that it takes in the remote. Alright, let's try the pliers again. So he goes around the pliers. Well, that's ingenuitive. Let's try something a little harder. How about Bert? Can he walk over Bert?
Itsy Bitsy spider went up the water spout.
He prefers to go around his problems.
Washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Forward. Backwards. And turn the head.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
You can do both at the same time.
Came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy
Now let's see what the range is on this guy.
the spout again.
See if he can walk over the hanger. Oh, look at that. He walked right over it. As you can see, the range is pretty far on this little guy. He's still going and following my commands. It's all the way back there. But if you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.